Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make clay coasters. I am starting out by cutting out a slab of clay with my wire. Next I'm going to roll it all out and make it a flat surface or flat slab of clay. I added cooking spray to my rolling pin so it doesn't stick. I am using cooking spray again to I'm spraying it on the clay so my texture rolling pins won't stick and will leave a nice pattern. I am using two. It was a set I bought from Hobby Lobby. And then I'm going to be using a mason jar lid ring, the big one, to make the outlines for my coasters. Once I have my outlines, I'm going to use my needle tool to carve out the actual coaster. I'm taking away the scraps and I am putting them on the side. I'm going to use a sponge and some water to smooth out the edges. If you are doing this, you can leave it overnight. I used a hot air gun machine to quicken up the process. As I said, you do not need to, you can avoid this step. I'm just using it to quicken things up. By the way, usually I would use my ceramic pottery clay, but for the purpose of this video, I am using the Crayola air dry clay. It's cheap and easy to use, so I like it for quick projects. I'm going to continue. I'm going to start painting. If you're doing patterns, make sure to get in all the little creases. Again, this is not the paint I would use in pottery, but it's very easy to use as acrylic paint. You can get anywhere. I'm also painting the edges. But I'm leaving the bottom blank. Once it dries up, I will be using some coaster bottoms. I got these from Amazon. I got a bunch of these. It came in a whole pack, and they are very, they have a sticker on the back, so I can just cut whatever I need out of this square. I'm going to use a marker to mark out the rim. I used the marker to mark out the edges of the circle, and I'm just cutting it out. Then I just remove the sticker and I stick it onto the bottom of my coaster. afterwards, I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut out the edges or the excess. I'm going to do the same thing with my second coaster. And by the way, this is how it looks after sticking on the coaster bottom. And this is the second one. And that is your final result. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on social media so you can see everything I've made. Bye.